Okay, so we have our Skybell HD Wi-Fi video doorbell. Because I don't currently have a wired doorbell, I've also got a wired doorbell chime kit from Arlic, and the transformer also from Arlic. Okay, so to unbox this video doorbell, we have an LED reference chart. We have the doorbell, we have the backing plate, we have the fixing screws and the wall plugs, and we also have the other installation components such as a drill bit and a driver for the screws to put onto your electric drill. Okay, so the doorbell has been wired and we've temporarily attached the press button for it just so that we can test that it works. So we can hear that it works, so we know that the wiring's fine. Okay, so I've removed the original doorbell press and now it's time to drill the holes to attach the fitting for the new doorbell. Okay, so I've now drilled the two holes and I've put the wall plugs in, ready to screw the base plate on. Before we screw the wall plate to the wall, we attach the power cables or the power wires to the two screws on the side. Okay, so the base plate has now been attached to the wall nice and securely. It looks nice and straight. It's now time to attach the actual doorbell. Okay, so now we loosen the locking screw, so just bring it all the way down. Okay, we then get our doorbell, we put it in the top there and we press it in and screw the locking mechanism back in. And now that is firmly secure. I've just turned the power back onto the doorbell, and as you can see it's now getting charged, and we'll now go on to the next step, which is to install the app and configure our settings. Okay, so we've got up to this part of the application, and it says the syncing process will take approximately 2 minutes. We go to the next step. As it says, it's going to be blinking red and blue while charging, which will take approximately 10 minutes. Once charged, your Skybell will blink red and green, and if it's not flashing red and green, hold the main button for 15 seconds until you see it flash green. So ours is currently flashing red and blue, so it's now charging, so we'll come back in about 10 minutes. Okay, it's now as a solid yellow, or green colour I would say. So we'll go back to our app. Okay, so we'll go to there. Okay, we go into our wireless settings and it says once in the wireless and network mode, enable aeroplane mode. So we'll do that. So we'll enable aeroplane mode. So there we go. And we'll go into our wireless settings. And then the next step is press the back button from your Android phone to return to the Skybell app. Okay. So we've done that. Okay. To continue the sync process, launch the Wi-Fi settings. So we'll go into there, turn on Wi-Fi. After enabling Wi-Fi, we should find the Skybell HD. So we'll go into that. And there's the Skybell HD, so we'll press that. And the next instruction says, you'll temporarily lose internet access, but this will be restored once you complete the syncing process. Press the back button from your Android phone to return to the Skybell app, which we have. You can also select the Skybell HD network from the Android quick settings. So I've done that. Now tell the Skybell device which network is yours. So ours is this one here, and I need to put in the password. Okay, so I've put my password in, and we'll accept it and we'll continue on. Okay, almost done. Don't forget to turn off the aeroplane mode, so we'll do that now. So turn the aeroplane mode back off. Press the back button to return to the Skybell app. Okay, so we're just waiting for the circle at the bottom to finish. Okay, so we'll click the little thumbs up, and it says the stream couldn't be established. Okay, so if I press play, we can see us at the front, so waving, and we're getting a bit of feedback because we're standing right in front of it. Okay, so now I'm going to press the doorbell and we'll see how long it takes. You have a visitor at your door, you tap that, and it comes up. Hello. So we can hang up. There we go. Okay, so we press.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? I've got a parcel here for Sienna.
Thank you. Just leave it at the doorstep for me.
Okay, no problems. Thanks. Goodbye.
Bye. Hello.
Hello, how are you? I've got a parcel here for Sienna.
Thank you. Just leave it at the doorstep for me.
Okay, no problems. Thanks. Goodbye.
Bye.
The Skybell server only keeps the last 7 days worth of videos. If you'd like to keep your videos for longer than that, you will need to download them. To do this, open the app, click on the bell icon in the middle. This will show you your videos from the last 7 days, whether they're from motion activation or from someone ringing the doorbell. You find the video you want and you swipe to the left and you press the download icon. This will download the video to your device. If you would like to delete a video, once again swipe to the left, press the delete button, and once again press the delete to confirm.